The most dangerous lake. Lake Nyos is a small but extraordinarily dangerous crater lake located in the northwest region of Cameroon, West Africa, within the Oku volcanic field, which forms part of the larger Cameroon volcanic line, a region of volcanic activity that stretches from the Gulf of Guinea inland towards Central Africa. This remote lake lies at an elevation of about 1,091 meters, 3,579 feet, above sea level and has a surface area of approximately 1.58 square kilometers. What makes Lake Nyos particularly hazardous is not its size or location, but the deadly combination of its volcanic origin and chemical composition. Beneath the lake lies a pocket of magma, which slowly leaks large quantities of carbon dioxide, CO, into the groundwater. This CO then dissolves into the bottom layers of the lake, where, due to the lake's depth and lack of water circulation, it remains trapped under immense pressure in what scientists call a stratified or muromictic water column. The lake is thermally layered, meaning that colder, denser, gas-saturated water stays at the bottom, and it doesn't normally mix with the upper, warmer layers. Over time, as more and more CO accumulates, the lower layers become supersaturated, creating a potential for a limnic eruption, a rare but catastrophic natural event in which the gas suddenly escapes, like an uncapped soda bottle that has been violently shaken. On the night of August 21, 1986, such a disaster struck. Without warning, Lake Nyos released an estimated 1.2 cubic kilometers, about 1.6 million tons, of CO gas in a sudden, violent eruption. This invisible, odorless, and heavier-than-air gas surged out of the lake basin, rolling over nearby hills and down into the valleys, silently suffocating life in its path. The gas cloud spread as far as 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles, engulfing the villages of Nyos, Cam, Cha, and Subam, and killing at least 1,746 people and over 3,500 livestock in a matter of minutes. Victims died in their sleep or dropped dead mid-task without any physical injuries, as the dense gas displaced oxygen in the air, leading to instant asphyxiation. Survivors described waking up to find family members dead beside them and animals collapsed on the ground, as if frozen in time. The exact trigger of the eruption is still debated by scientists, but theories include a landslide, a drop in temperature, or rainfall disturbing the lake's stratification, releasing the trapped gas in a deadly burst. In the wake of the disaster, Lake Nyos became the focus of global scientific attention, and its tragedy prompted major changes in how we monitor and mitigate natural hazards in volcanic regions. Scientists realized that if such a release could happen in Lake Nyos, other gas-rich lakes, like Lake Manoon, site of a smaller gas release in 1984, and Lake Kivu in Central Africa, could pose similar threats. In response, an international team of geologists and engineers developed a plan to degas Lake Nyos to prevent future eruptions. By 2001, a degassing system was installed, involving vertical pipes that allow CO-rich water to be vented safely from the bottom of the lake to the surface. Once started, these pipes function using the lake's natural pressure and create a continuous geyser-like effect, releasing gas in a controlled way to reduce buildup. Additional pipes were added over the following decade to ensure complete safety. Furthermore, a significant risk of dam failure was identified. The lake's natural rock wall, which contains the water, had begun to weaken, potentially threatening a catastrophic flood if it collapsed. This led to a dam reinforcement project completed in 2010 to stabilize the lake's rim and reduce flood risks for downstream communities. Today, Lake Nyos remains a subject of scientific study and monitoring. Though its CO levels are now being managed, it continues to serve as a chilling reminder of the rare but extreme power of limnic eruptions. The lake's 1986 disaster profoundly influenced geophysical research and disaster preparedness, encouraging better surveillance of crater lakes, more community education, and the development of early warning systems. It also underscored the importance of interdisciplinary cooperation between geologists, engineers, local governments, and international bodies in addressing natural hazards. Though quieter now, Lake Nyos is still watched closely by scientists, because the combination of volcanic geology, gas accumulation, and nearby human settlement ensures it will never be seen as an ordinary lake, but rather one of the most dangerous in the world. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.